Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 81, found on page 367 and 368 of Geometry Demystified 2nd edition. There is an illustration on page 368 which shows two vectors C and D in perspective. They are boldface in the illustration here, but we can also represent a vector by putting a little half arrow over it, or even by putting a full arrow over it, which I've done here. The two vectors are 0, 10, 9, and 2, 0, 14. That is the X, Y, and Z coordinates of the end points of the vectors if their back end points or starting points are at the origin. We really don't need to look at the figure to figure out the dot product, which is what this question is asking us for. The dot product is simply the product of the X components plus the product of the Y components plus the product of the Z components. Well, 0 times 2 is 0, 10 times 0 is 0, 9 times 14 is 126. So that is the dot product. Dot product because it is represented by a big bold dot. It's sometimes also known as the scalar product because it's always a scalar, meaning just a plain old number. So the correct answer to this question, C dot D equals 126. That's choice A.